In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Loop effectively. If you're looking to streamline your project management and collaboration efforts, this guide will be invaluable. So, let's dive in. To get started, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and search for Microsoft Loop. Once you've found the official site, go ahead and sign in with your Microsoft account credentials. This will give you access to all the powerful features that Microsoft Loop has to offer. Now let's talk about workspaces. Think of them as your main project folders. They are your go-to space for organizing everything to do with a specific initiative. In these workspaces, you'll be able to house all the related pages and components to keep your project structured and easily navigable. By using workspaces, you maintain a clear view of the project's overarching goals and the tasks required to reach them. Within these workspaces, you'll find pages. Pages are essentially the building blocks within each workspace. They're used to organize information, tasks, and ideas relevant to your project. It's helpful to create different pages for various facets of the project, allowing each element to be contained and looking neat, which certainly helps when you revisit or share your progress with others. Now let's move on to the components, which are at the heart of Microsoft Loop. These are dynamic, embeddable pieces of content like task lists, tables, or paragraphs. You can create these components directly within Loop, and they're designed to make your information more actionable. The beauty of these components lies in their flexibility. They can be embedded into other Microsoft 365 apps, expanding their utility beyond the confines of Loop. One of the standout features of Microsoft Loop is the ability to add components to emails or calendar events in Outlook. By sharing the link in an email, others can view and edit the components as well. Any changes made are instantly reflected in the Outlook item, ensuring that everyone is on the same page, quite literally, at all times. Collaboration is a breeze with Microsoft Loop. Multiple users can work on the same component simultaneously, with changes appearing instantly for everyone involved. This aspect of simultaneous editing ensures that collaborations are seamless, reducing the need for back-and-forth communications and increasing productivity. And there you have it. Those are the essential steps and tips for getting started with Microsoft Loop. By understanding how to effectively utilize workspaces, manage pages, and leverage dynamic components, you can enhance your team's collaboration and workflow efficiency more than ever before. Remember, the more you play around with Loop, the more innovative ways you will discover to manage your projects effectively. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.